Have you accepted the idea that wearing glasses for the rest of your life is inevitable, or do you believe that as living beings, our bodies have the healing powers? If you're curious about specific actions to improve your eyesight and potentially ditch your glasses, join me for an important video. Hello, dear friends. We hope that wherever you are safe and well. I'm Fereshteh, a researcher and international healthy lifestyle consultant. We aim to discuss topics such as blurred vision, hyperopia or farsightedness, myopia or nearsightedness, and poor eyesight with you. We're here to provide you with information about treatments because we have full confidence in effectively addressing these concerns. We've had a large number of patients with eye prescriptions between 2.5 to 3 have successfully ditched their glasses through our treatments. The eye has an amazing structure, a highly precise system. While the best cameras currently have a few megapixels, the eye has a resolution of 1,000 megapixels, which is truly astonishing. Upon closer examination, we discover many wonders. The retina is a layer of photoreceptor cells and glial cells within the eye that reflects light with a size comparable to the head of a pin. It has 1,000 nerve fibers. What enables us to see objects clearly at various distances is the eye lens. To see distant objects, the lens becomes very thin, and for close objects, it widens completely. The muscles of the eye hold and regulate the eye's lens. When these eye muscles are damaged, they can lead to visual problems. I can provide you with information on the factors and causes that contribute to these issues. The primary factor is excessive anxiety and stress. How does it affect? Anxiety and stress impede blood supply to the eyes. Our eyes receive nourishment through capillaries, and when anxiety and stress stimulate the sympathetic nervous system, the capillaries constrict significantly. As a result, the narrowed capillaries hinder proper nourishment to the eyes, causing the eye muscles to weaken. In layman's terms, it's described as muscle laxity and sagging, making it difficult for the muscles to adjust the lens. This can lead to nearsightedness, farsightedness, blurry vision, and overall eye weakness. The second factor is constipation, and this matter is highly significant. I always emphasize in videos that addressing constipation is crucial for treating any pain. We need to identify it. When taking a patient's medical history, the first question we often ask is whether they experience constipation. It holds great importance. Sometimes, individuals may dismiss it, saying, "No, I don't have any issues, I have a bowel movement once a week." If you eat 3 meals a day but only have a bowel movement once a day, you're actually experiencing constipation. When we eat 3 meals a day, we should ideally have 3 bowel movements. You can watch our video on constipation for practical solutions. It's very useful. When someone is constipated, the body produces more ptomaine poison, and if it reaches any area in the body, it can cause destruction because it enters the digestive process and enters the bloodstream, creating various problems. Research on children who had constipation and experienced stress and anxiety within their families showed that they eventually needed glasses. So, constipation is significantly impactful in both children and adults. The third factor is a lack of physical activity. When we lack movement and exercise, our ability to absorb vitamins significantly decreases. It's worth noting for those who say, "I eat everything and lead an active life, yet I still have anemia, lack energy." This might be due to inefficient absorption of nutrients and vitamins. Regular physical activity and exercise contribute to better vitamin absorption. Adequate vitamin A is essential for eye health. The next factor is the exposure to rays from mobile screens and televisions. These, along with individuals straining their eyes by working late into the night, contribute to eye strain. Addressing each of these factors is crucial, and we must give significant importance to this aspect before considering treatment. Don't forget to pay attention to each cause. Before we delve into treatments, please like the video. We mentioned vitamin A is crucial for eye health, a well-known fact. Now, what foods can help? We want to share our experience with you. Someone experiencing this issue should consume 3 cups of orange-colored fruit nectar daily. In order of their quality, let me introduce them to you. The best option is to use mango nectar. It's exceptional and has very positive effects. Over a few months, you can improve your eye health significantly. However, there's a point to consider: you should add a bit of olive oil to the orange-colored nectars. The reason is quite clear: olive oil enhances better absorption of vitamin A since it is fat-soluble. We need a small amount of olive oil for this purpose. The next nectar is yellow carrots nectar. If you don't have access to yellow carrots, regular carrots will do. Consume 3 cups daily, again with a bit of olive oil. Make sure to include 1 or 2 oranges daily alongside these nectars. Oranges, tangerines, grapefruits, and any fruit with an orange hue that is in season can be used alongside your nectars. The next nectar that you can incorporate both as a nectar and as a dessert, which should be consumed daily in the required amount, is pumpkin. It has extraordinary effects. Each of these contributes to your well-being. We have a video on making healthy pumpkin desserts. You can watch it to learn the proper preparation method. The next treatment point is the abundant use of olive oil. We highly recommend using either olive oil or sesame oil because they help thin the blood and enhance nutrient absorption in the body. Since we mentioned that for eye nutrition, when the blood vessels narrow, issues arise, and anything that increases blood thickness causes vessel constriction. Therefore, olive oil and sesame oil are among the substances that locally thin the blood. What are local treatments for addressing visual impairment? So that my issue can be resolved as soon as possible. To expedite the resolution of this issue, you should undergo a 3-phase treatment over 10 days. In the initial 10 days, use fresh lemon juice. It's advisable to dilute it with warm boiled water, especially during the first days. Applying undiluted fresh lemon juice directly to your eyes from the start may cause significant irritation that you'll have to endure. It's better to dilute it with warm boiled water, pour it into a dropper, and instill it into your eye. Never drop it directly onto the eye's pupil, aim for the corner of your eye. Don't worry, nothing harmful will happen to your eye. It's not that we claim eye irritation is highly dangerous. No, it's not like that at all. We've been using this therapeutic approach for our patients for years. Now, for the second 10-day period, you will use fennel water. Ensure that the fennel water is of high quality and organic. Pour it into a dropper and instill it into your eye every night. For the third 10-day period, you'll use a mixture of warm boiled water and honey. Ensure the honey is completely organic, dissolve it in warm water, and instill it into your eyes using a dropper. Throughout the day, you can even administer the water and honey mixture into your eyes 2 or 3 times a day. Whether you should discontinue after this period varies based on your conditions. If you notice improvement, you may stop. However, if issues persist or you feel the need to continue, you can revisit the initial 10-day phase and maintain the same approach. We had an 8-year-old boy patient who benefited from this treatment over 3 months, with a particular focus on consistent consumption of mango nectar. Due to the importance of the matter, I want to tell you how to make mango nectar. Making mango nectar is very simple. 1. Prepare a cup of water. 2. Add diced mango pieces if available, or dried mango if not in season, in the desired amount. 3. Add a spoon of honey and half a fresh lemon juice to the mixture. 4. Mix the ingredients well in a blender until they form a uniform blend. And 5. Consume this mixture throughout the day in small doses. It is recommended to have 3 cups daily. Dear ones, our therapeutic approach is a very simple lifestyle for treating illnesses. We have been very successful by making changes in lifestyle and addressing the causes of diseases. Subscribe to our channel and don't forget to click on bell icon to get notification, so you don't miss our videos.